Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing to you the very effective and mask that you have wanted to whiten your underarms. Then use this mask at home, and mask is how to get your whitening underarms at home naturally. So let's start, and my first ingredient is baking soda. It's a food baking soda that we used in our cooking side, and it's raw milk, aloe vera gel, and coconut oil. So basically it's four ingredients that I need to use my or make my underarms mask. So let's start how to I make all these ingredients properly. Friends, this time I need a spoon and a bowl to mix my ingredients. Then at first I take 4 tablespoons of raw milk. Don't use boiled milk in this mask because I need a raw milk. Take 4 tablespoons of raw milk. Then I take 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then I need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and I need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now mix these ingredients properly. Friends, I used here in the raw milk and coconut oil that's also moisturized our skins and also removed our spots and dark spots easily. And I also used in a baking soda that also reduced our darkness of our underarm skins and also lighten our skins. And also I used in the aloe vera gel that helps to lighten our skins and remove darkness. When it's ready, then leave this mask is at side. And one item is also need that when I used and you used this mask. So I will show you which is this items. Friends, this time I need a warm water and a small or towel or your napkin that when you used these marks on your underarms at this before, you of course you need to clean your underarms because if you need to open your skin pores and also clean your darkness of your underarms. So wet this towel and clean your underarms side. So when you finish this work, then side this bowl and apply this mask on your underarms. Friends, not use this time in any old brush or makeup brush. Just use your hands and your fingers and tap this face or mask and apply your underarms skin. And just these types you massage. Not roughly, you cannot massage this mask. Just slowly massage at least 2 or 3 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes later, when your massage depth over, then leave it 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 or 20 minutes later, then it's a little bit dry or totally dry, then wash with cold water. This massage helps to reduce your darkness, your spots on your underarms area. And friends, if you want to get a better result instantly, not instantly or early or quickly, then use this mask 3 times in a week. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.